Go. Go. Okay, in a few minutes we will start. I just need to figure out something. Just another second. Okay. Okay. So in 2015 I did this tutorial on my website called testax.blogspot.com. It's a tutorial on how to use this Arietta for with a USB to Ethernet device. And in this tutorial you can find some explanation on how to build a kernel for Arietta. What we will do today is the same tutorial, but we will use Docker, and I'll live stream this build. So let's start. Okay, first of all, you have to go to Docker website and download Docker and install it. Once you have done it, you can run it, and it should run on your computer. I'm on a Mac. On Windows or Linux, I think it's the same or pretty similar. So why I'm using Docker? Because what we have to do is to make this this device working with the Arietta model, and as you can see here, I added a USB port, female USB port, and to do it I just follow this pinout description. On the fourth pin there is 5 volt, and on the 9th pin there is GND, and then I connected the 16 and the 18 pin. You can connect 1, 2, 3 USB female ports to this board, and it's cool because when you use instead the Raspberry Pi Zero, there are only one USB port. By default, of course, you can add a USB out, but this is comes free, so you don't need to plug a USB out for to use with Arietta right now. So what we'll have to do now, if you have installed the Docker and you open a shell, you do docker.ps -a, it will show you the list of the actual list of container installed. And in this example, there is a lot of container I use during my working day. And so if you are using Docker, if it's the first time for you, I suggest you to download Docker for Ubuntu, the Ubuntu image. I did it before, so I did Docker pool Ubuntu, and that's it. And this will download the image for you from the internet. Once you've done it, you can run it with Docker start. Can do Docker yes -a, and as you can see there is an image. Ubuntu, where is Ubuntu? No Ubuntu. Okay, there is an Ubuntu here. I thought I already installed it. Okay. In fact, indeed. So there is an Ubuntu. Docker run Ubuntu. Okay, there is an Ubuntu with this name, and I can run Docker start. Okay, and then I need a shell on this Ubuntu container, Ubuntu image. So bash, I'll never remember. Okay, Docker exec -t -i, and the name of the /bin /bash. Oh, errors. Why? I thought it was right. Docker is running. It's created and it's running. No, its status is exited. No more running. Why? Doesn't rightly run. Let's try to start it again. Oh, well. It's running, starting. Come on. So I connected this board, and I cut a USB cable, and I connected the connector of the USB cable. So with a multimeter, you can find the correct pin of this wiring. I'm just using this. Okay, the board comes with a USB gadget support, Ethernet USB gadget. So if you plug it, the USB, it's for the system, it's like a USB Ethernet device. Why I'm also adding another USB Ethernet device, because this is more stable for connecting to the internet. It's easier to connect to the internet with this one instead of use tunneling to be able to share the connection, to be able to connect to the internet. And it's just for the tutorial, and it's just for make it easier to develop my usbkey safe project. So try again. No, doesn't want to run faster than a second. Boom. Start and onto dot failed set container. Right, you're right. I don't remember the command. Come on. Got some flu, I'm not so well right now. Exited. Why? Why? Tender hell, man. Nothing happened. Okay, let's see. Usually I do start, stop, nothing else. I don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe the image is not correctly downloaded, but okay. Let's try another image. Docker start this one. Okay, it seems up, this one. Okay, let's use this. And Docker exec, where is Docker? Okay, Docker exec. And now I have a shell on it. Which version of Ubuntu is this one? Wow, pretty recent. Okay, let's try with this one. Okay. So, if you go on this website, let's connect the Arietta phone now. Now let's see what's the kernel version of the Arietta. So I built the SD card following the tutorial on Arietta getting started, and there is a tutorial on this one. and documentation index. No, not index, sorry. Documentation. Where is documentation? Yeah, it's right. Not getting started. I thought it was getting started and it was not. Okay, I'll show you in the other video. Remember now where is it? I'm pretty sure it's here, SD card. Okay, download for free or buy. It's here the link. And there is an article on how to create it. And I used this version, the last one. So let's connect to the Arietta right now. Open a new shell, SSH. Come on, hello. Okay, now it's responding. Answer back. The password is Acme Systems, and there is a, as you can see here, an Acme and a root password, root account, of course, with the password. You know why that takes so much. Yeah, finally. Okay, we are on. Now you name. Okay, as you can see, there is this version of this Linux kernel. So it's okay. We can, for now, stop the board. No, sudo. It's not build. Okay. This will shut down the board. Now we can come back here. What we want to do is build the image for the kernel, and there are two things you have to save for now. These two links that you find in the getting started. It will be useful later. This download Arietta link. So come back to getting started, and we will see how to build the kernel image. I think it's better if we go start from here, my tutorial, because there is already the link to download the okay, the tutorial. Compile Linux. This was another Linux version, but the tutorial is the same. And now, come on, okay. So here is the kernel, but we have another version. So copy the link, open a new tab, go to kernel. We have this one, and search the Linux the kernel version we see before. So it was 448, and okay, we'll search for 448. Not the changelog, but the Linux. I prefer the third VZ version. Copy address, and let's go to our Docker image. We are in root. We do wget. This one, wget is not found, so we install it. Install wget. Yes. Come on, come on. Blah, blah, please. Come on, I just want to do the file. Come on, baby. Okay. Try again. Now you download the image. Then we can detach the board for now and close the shell. Yes. Okay. While you download this version, we'll see the tutorial. Basically, we have to extract the image and follow the Arietta instruction. But when we arrive to the make arc arm, we will have to choose something. So what we are trying to do is to add the module to support the gadget leaves to support the USB to Ethernet devices, because it's not enabled by default in Arietta. So now we can extract with tar xzbf Linux. We will extract it, and it's not enough because we have forgot to download we forgot this step. Install the ARM cross compiler to chain on your Linux boot. And I hope it will be not a problem if we use a newer version. We will see. So we'll start with this one while it's extracting use. How much? And copy this link. Doesn't need, yeah, we need sudo. I don't think we need sudo. I'm just root. Come on. So, as I said before, you don't need this step for the project that you're building, but it's just interesting because if you want to add the support for a device that is not available in the stock image of Arietta, but it's available on Linux kernel, you have just to follow this same tutorial and change a little bit the instruction. So let's install this device, these cross compilers. Yes, I want it. Downloading, packing, blah blah blah. Okay, let's try this one. Yes. Now it said if you want blah blah blah. Okay. Yes. Stop. And then it said if you're installing this, use this one. If you're installing this one, Aqua or Arietta. Okay, Arietta. Arietta, it's pretty interesting because it's tiny and it's easy to purchase on the Acme Systems website, and it's available. And okay, we'll add also this one, so we don't need to do 2 times. Yes. Yes, once we have done this one, we are done with the compiler. And now we can continue the compile Linux section. So, okay, let's go to Linux, the extracted version, and your personal branch, blah blah blah. Okay, download Acme Arietta devconfig in config. So open on new tab. That's not it. We needed this one. So instead of following the 3.16 in tutorial, we need this version. Okay. So pay attention to use this devconfig. Okay. And it said go to download arc config. So arc configs, and we'll get this one, and it's called Acme Arietta devconfig. Let's see less. Okay. Something strange. Is it right? 27. Yeah, it's correct. Okay. And now we can go hop again, up, and we can do make. What? Oh, okay. We need to install make and BC. I'm sure it's missing. Okay, we try again. Oh, what? Not found. What does it found? GGG not found. Why GGG not found? What are you talking about? What the fuck? I was pretty sure it was working. GGG.1. That doesn't make sense. Because I don't need this one. This one is the, so to say, x86 version. But it's compiling. What are the fuck? Okay, maybe I missed the. Okay, let's try to go on. And now, in order to use that device, we go to here, device drivers, that arrow, then network device support, and USB network adapters. Okay, and now we can select multi-purpose USB network framework, and this is exactly the kernel, the version of the module to use for this one. The one I bought on eBay. It's one I bought on eBay. I forgot to show you what happens when you connect the board with this device. But if you just say last USB, it's right. You can see how these devices recognize it. Okay, now exit, and we can go on. And it's said to download Arietta, yes. So right now we can download the other file, and we should go to boot DTS. So boot DTS, and we can do forget the other link. Okay, we go up. Okay, go back. Now we can compile. Let's see. Okay, and now we can go to compile the kernel image. It says it takes 15 minutes. Okay. While it compiles, we then have to compile the kernel module. But we can start to prepare the board again. So we connect again the board to the computer. Let's see. And I show you what happened to the. Oh, does it actually? No, I can't because not for now. So pin 1 7 6. Okay, just wait. Okay, it's already available. Just it's not SSH. It's not ready. Try again. Try again. Try again. Come on. Don't be shy. We see before. I saw you before. So, do you think you want to come connect? We can connect. Oh, 25 minutes. I hate you so much right now. Okay, good morning. Okay, so now what I wanted to do, okay, the board is ready. What we'll do is to compile the files, and then we will remotely copy the file to the board directly. So next time, but if you don't have problem like me, just load the Ubuntu 14.04 version from Docker, because it's stable. It's a long time support version. Come on. While we are waiting, I will create Docker file. Okay, we are here. We will see later why I created a directory. So we will build the image, the kernel image inside Docker, and then we will move we will copy the image and the modules to the computer, and then we will transfer it directly to the Arietta. I think we don't need to do anything else here for now. We can just close the connection. Well, I thought it was faster yesterday. Maybe it's the streaming that it a little bit to require some resources. So we're building the kernel, then we compile the modules, and in the end we will transfer the through SSH. So in my idea, my final idea is this is just a part of larger project. So what we will do, you have a USB key like this one, and in many environments we will we use this kind of USB drive to share files, also in family with parents or many other situation. And it's a really dangerous problem, because yes, you can have an antivirus, but my idea is to have a sort of firewall between the USB key and the computer. So every time you have to plug a USB key that you don't trust, or you're not so sure that it is safe, you can, or maybe every time, you can use this Arietta board in the middle between the. So you take the USB key and attach it to the Arietta, and then you attach the Arietta to the computer, and the computer will access the file in the USB driver without with a browser. So you basically connect to a web server that it runs on the Arietta, and there you can grab files from the USB key. So this should reduce the possible attacks, direct attacks on your computer. And I think there are some challenges on this project, and I hope it works, because I will use it for my during my life. It takes a while. Come on. So we have to copy 3 files, 1, 2, and this directory, full directory. Then we will copy to the board, and then we reboot the board, and then send that mod -A to run the new modules. Takes a lot, I don't know why. I think I will edit this video later, and I will produce a smaller version. Okay. Oh, it's done. It's finished. Okay, now we should also create these models. So Okay, this one, and then this one. Make models install. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, now since we want to copy these three directory and files, we will copy right now to the root folder. So first file is, we will follow this remote view. So we'll have to copy this one. We'll copy in root, and then we copy this other one, and in root again, and then finally we can copy all this module folder. So in root, okay, now in root we have these three folder. Now we can make to Arietta, move z image and lib. What was the folder? Models lib, so models again. Yeah, let's say models in to Arietta. So last into Arietta. Okay, we all the things we want to copy on Arietta. So we need to transfer the data from the container to our local, from the image to our local machine. So we use docker yes, say the one it's running. What the fuck? Created exit. Okay, this one is the one is running. Okay, try to reduce the font a little bit. Okay, the one is running is this one, the admiring Wozniak. Cool name. And we have to do docker cp, and we need to copy this one. Okay, this is the syntax. Root to Arietta flash dot no such file directory. Okay, not one, and I created a oh come on, doesn't work. Let's do a little. We create a tar archive so it's easier to transfer. Okay, now okay. Now it's here. We extract all the files. Okay, now we go there, and now board is on. It's time to transfer back all the stuff to Arietta. So we start from this one. You need to copy in root/boot. So scp scp, come on, Arietta DTB. Okay, here. Come on. We can stop this container. Come on. Why does it take so long? Okay, then we can copy in the same folder that's Linux image, kernel image, that image. We are overwriting the actual version. Whew. Okay, and finally we can copy all the modules lib. So I think we can just do let's open a shell. I just want to see what's inside the /lib. Okay. I think this is one. Right folder. Let's come back here. Yes. So we can do no flash. Let's see. No. Okay, yeah. We'll copy the content of the modules directory recursive inside lib modules on the board. Then I will connect. I'm already connected, but okay, I hope everything is fine. Oh, what? The date is wrong. Okay. Let's try it. Something went wrong. Who cares about sources? Kernel, virus net. Okay, these are the one we needed. So kernel, virus. Yes. Okay, now we reboot the board and we hope we didn't broke everything. So if you're not pretty sure that you are doing the right thing, remember to back up everything the SD card before starting the process. The fun fact with this kind of board like Raspberry Pi, or the interesting fact is that it's easy to back up because it's 8 gigabyte or 16 gigabyte. It's easy to clone the entire image and to restore it in if you fail. But it's this exactly the same thing I will do if something went wrong right now. So we'll just see if we can go up. It seems already up. We hope we can connect. Then we have to do depth mode -A. And if it doesn't come up, you can do two things. Of course, you can restore the image or use a debug port. There is a serial port on the board and you can connect on it. Okay, it's up. So that mode plus -A message, and now we can plug the Arietta. Okay, I plugged the device. As you can see, there is an ASICs register, ASICs here, and now if I say config, okay, as you can see, there is a config at ETH0. I plug it to now. For now, if I do, I don't go to anywhere, go to nowhere. But now I connect the device and I connected the device to the network. Then I launched the H client. Now if I say config th0, it got an IP address, and now if I go ping Google, it answers. So now it's online. We don't need to. If you buy the board, they tell you that you can connect the board to the internet using sharing the USB connection of the computer to the internet. It's a two-way, but it's not so good for me, so I prefer to use this kind of device. And what I already done is to install Node.js. And as you can see, it's already installed. Of course, it's just for the this is tutorial just for the useful. Okay, in many ways, because if you need to add another kind of device available on the kernel, you can just select from make menu, config menu the device, install it, and do the same. Follow the same instruction, but for this tutorial, just for me useful for as a way to have a reliable connection right now. So I think we are done. Hi, as you can see, it works. Control C. Okay, so goodbye, and we will see in another new video. I hope you enjoyed it and have a nice night. If you're in Italy, right now it's 11:29 p.m. I think I will go to sleep. I'm so tired and a little bit of sleep. Good night, everyone. See you next time. Bye.